1, 2, 3, let's play! Grab the markers, pick a page. What's the magic? Take the stage. Neon pink and ocean blue, making something shiny and new. Got the stickers in my hand. Welcome to our paperland. Oh, LoliBraids and all her friends, where the paper story never ends. Cut it out and make a smile. Stay and play a little while. Mix the colors, bright and bold. The sweetest DIY stories ever told. Hey, Sun is shining, the sky is so blue. Lily is ready for something brand new. Tying her purple braids up with a bow. She has a big smile and she is ready to go. Skipping along on her sparkly feet, moving her shoulders right to the beat. Oh, Lily, Lily, jumping up high, reaching her hands right up to the sky. She is the sweetest girl in the neon town. With LoliBraids around, there is never a frown. Step to the left and twirl to the right, making the whole world colorful and bright. Swinging down the street with her purple hair, Lily LOVEBRAIDS dancing without a care. Got the neon sneakers and a starry bright dress, always looking fabulous, never a mess. She's got a big smile that lights up the room, chasing away all the gray and the gloom. Oh, watch her go, watch her spin around, the brightest superstar in the neon town. With a flip and a skip to a happy beat, Lily is bringing the magic to the street. Yeah, Lily is bringing the magic to the street. Rory's got a brand new cape today, red and shiny, watch him fly away. He thinks he is the fastest in the town, but Lily LOVEBRAIDS will not back down. With her purple hair spinning in the breeze, she dodges him with absolute ease. Catch me if you can, Rory Redscape. There is no way that you will escape. Running through the neon streets so bright, Lily and Rory, what a funny sight. Round and round we go, don't stop the beat. This playful chase is looking pretty sweet. Ooh, ooh, yeah. She strikes a cute pose for the camera flash, running through the colors with the lightning dash. Everything she touches turns to vibrant pink, quicker and smarter than you'd ever think. She's a cartoon queen in a colorful world, the most energetic and dazzling girl. Step to the rhythm, let's go. Left, right, put on a show. Spin it around, jump to the sky. Watch our favorite girl fly high. Watch her go, watch her go, watch her spin around. The brightest superstar in the neon town. With a flip and a skip to a happy beat, Lily is bringing the magic to the street. Yeah, Lily is bringing the magic to the street. And that is how Lily does it. Keep on shining, See ya. Swinging down the street with her purple